एक सेकेंड, हाँ स्टार्ट।
Myself, Arvind Kumar Dubey, working as English teacher of English in Government Girls High Secondary School, Nagaon, Chhatarpur, MP. Students, today I am going to teach you present perfect continuous tense. So, what is present? Present perfect continuous tense. Identity. हिंदी के वाक्यों के अंत में ता रहा है, ती रही है, ते रहे हैं या रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं आता है। इसके लिए सिंस और फॉर प्रपोजिशन का प्रयोग करते हैं। फर्स्ट वन, अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस। अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर इज subject plus either has or have plus BWNT plus V1 with ing plus object plus time. Here either since or for is used. So first of all, we have to understand use of since. Since point of time, point of time यानी निश्चित समय के लिए हम किसका प्रयोग करते हैं? सिंस का प्रयोग करते हैं। फर्स्ट रूल इज सिंस प्लस मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, नाइट, o'clock. Second rule, since plus worth object marriage object arrival object departure object death. Third, since plus name of the day, name of the day, कोई भी दिन हो सकता है, संडे, मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे। नेम ऑफ द मंथ, नेम ऑफ द मंथ, कोई भी महीना हो सकता, मंथ। नेम ऑफ द ईयर, नेम ऑफ द ईयर। फोर्थ रूल इज since plus name of an event. So since is used to denote point of time, यानी हिंदी में निश्चित समय बताने के लिए हम since का प्रयोग करते हैं। नेक्स्ट, for period of time, period of time, पीरियड ऑफ टाइम बताने के लिए हम सिंस का प्रयोग करते हैं, सॉरी फॉर का प्रयोग करते हैं। फॉर प्लस न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव, न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव फॉर। सो व्हाट इज न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव? 1 2 3 4 5 एंड सो ऑन आर न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव। For plus day, month, year. Second rule, for plus numeral adjective, numeral adjective. Here also numeral adjective, numeral adjective plus hour oblique minute oblique second. Third, for plus a long time. Here for plus numeral adjective, for plus numeral adjective 1, 2, 3, 4. For plus numeral adjective day, month, year. For plus numeral adjective hour, minute, second. Or plus a long time. In present perfect continuous tense, preposition since or for is very necessary, and I have discussed you about since and for. Now example is I have been teaching since evening. I have been teaching since evening. Here subject either has or have, been V1 with ing. Here point of time, so since and evening. Second one, negative sentence. In negative sentences, not is used after helping verb. Here helping verb is either has or have, hasn't or haven't. Structure is subject plus has oblique have plus not plus been plus V1 with ing plus since oblique for. Example is easy. For example, it has not been raining. It has not been raining since June. So this is example of negative sentence. Subject is it has not. You can write here also hasn't. Has plus not hasn't. Have plus not haven't is the short form. Third one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Question word. When, why, where, which, part, how much, how many. These are question words. Plus helping verb either has or have plus subject plus been plus V1 with ing plus object plus time, either since or for. And in interrogative sentences, question mark must be used at the last of the sentence. Example is who. Who is used for person. Who has been teaching English since evening. If there is no question word, यदि प्रश्न शब्द नहीं है, तो फिर हम उसको डायरेक्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब से शुरू करते हैं. फोर्थ है इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंटरोगेटिव नेगेटिव. In interrogative negative sentences, not is used after the subject. This point must be remembered. Then structure will be question word, either, has or have, plus subject plus not. Here this point must be remembered. Plus been plus B1 with ing plus object plus time, either, since or for, then question mark. Example is, have you not been attending your class since 15 May, then question mark. In this way, today I have taught you present perfect continuous tense. Here 2 points must be remembered. First one, how to use since and for. Since is used to denote point of time, यानी निश्चित समय के लिए आपको since का प्रयोग करना है. For is used to denote period of time, समय के अंतराल को बताने के लिए period of time के लिए for का प्रयोग करना है. दूसरी चीज ing लगाना. How to add ing, कैसे हमें ing लगाना है. तो वर्ब जिनके अंत में ई पाया जाता है और उसी का हम उच्चारण नहीं करते हैं तो आईएनजी जोड़ते समय अंतिम ई को हटा देते हैं. जैसे लाइक, LIKE प्लस ING इक्वल टू LIKING. सेकेंड रूल, डबलिंग ऑफ द कॉन्सोनेंट, यानी व्यंजन का डबल हो जाना. वर्ब के लास्ट में यदि कॉन्सोनेंट हो और उसके पहले कोई एक वॉवेल हो तो लास्ट के कॉन्सोनेंट को हम क्या कर देते हैं, डबल कर देते हैं. एग्जाम्पल इज रन प्लस ING इक्वल टू RUNNING. थर्ड रूल, IE को Y में बदल देते हैं, यानी वर्ब के लास्ट में यदि IE आता है तो IE को हम Y में बदल देते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इज टाई, LIE प्लस ING प्लस ING, LYING TYING. Here see IE is changed into Y. वर्ब जिनके अंत में एक व्यंजन हो और उसके पहले यदि कोई एक स्वर हो तो Y को I में नहीं बदलते हैं. See here, play, PLAY. Here is Y and before one vowel POWEL plus ING is equal to PLAYING. परंतु Y के पहले यदि कोई कॉन्सोनेंट हो STUDY, here see Y before Y, one consonant plus ING is equal to STUDING. So present perfect tense structure of affirmative is subject either has or have, been, V1 with ING plus object plus since or for. Negative sentence, subject plus has or have, not, been, V1 with ING, object plus time, since or for. Interrogative sentences, question word plus either has or have plus subject plus been plus V1 with ING plus object plus time, since or for, then question mark. Fourth, interrogative negative sentences, question word plus either has or have plus subject plus not plus been plus V1 with ING plus object plus time, phrase, then question mark. In this way, today I have taught you present perfect continuous tense. Tomorrow I will teach you past indefinite tense. Okay, thanks.